As hackers create more complex phishing scams, just using a password to protect MacEwan's private and financial information that you work on isn't enough. MultiFactor Authentication adds an additional layer of security, ensuring only you can access MacEwan information, even if hackers have access to your password. This ensures the protection of data stored in applications like Blackboard, PeopleSoft, Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive or SharePoint, and Outlook. When it comes to multi-factor authentication, you'll often hear something you know, something you have, something you are. Creating a strong password is an important first level of security. Protecting yourself from scams or phishing attacks and not sharing your password are also valuable steps. Your second level of security is to use a device you have with you to authenticate your identity. Using a mobile device like a tablet or mobile phone, a desktop phone, or a hardware security key, you're authenticating with MacEwan using a device that hackers do not have access to. With many devices now including fingerprint readers or facial recognition, you can also use these devices to authenticate your identity. Let's look at the process in a bit more detail. When someone uses your password to log in using a device MacEwan hasn't seen before, a request is sent to your secondary device to confirm it's really you. A secondary device could be your mobile phone using an installed app, a text, or a call to the phone. A call to your desktop phone can also be used for authentication, or you can use a security key, which you'd plug into the USB port of the computer you're using. Once you've authenticated from one of these devices, you'll be granted access. You can register for one or all of these devices to provide authentication. If you're not currently trying to log in and you receive a request, do not authenticate the login attempt. This will stop any potential hackers from getting access. The easiest way to authenticate is through your mobile phone. If you're already using your phone to check your work email, chances are you usually have it with you. This is important for faculty and staff who use the Instructor computers available in various rooms or labs. Every time you log into one of these machines, you're going to need to authenticate, and running back to your desktop isn't going to work. Instead of your cell phone, another option is a security key. Similar to a USB thumb drive, this device plugs into the USB port of the computer and provides a randomized number that MacEwan will recognize. Once you've authenticated, you can remove the device and carry on working. Multi-factor authentication protects you and the university, ensuring our data is safe from hackers and scammers. For more information or for help on setting up multi-factor authentication, contact Technology Support.